Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a nice simple program for you using Regex to validate a username, and if the username is valid we're going to update it to this array here called valid username. So first of all I create a subroutine using username here, and then I go and create a print command which will print out this message to the user telling the user to enter a username. Then I use chomp for the new line, and then I create a scalar variable called user and assign it to standard input. This will get the input that the user types in. Then I come down here and work on the conditional phrase, the evaluation phrase, which is if. So if the user, and this little character here, is matches. So if the username that we typed in there matches, and we start at the beginning here, so we've got either lowercase letters, uppercase letters, or digits, and that's the length starts at 3 to 12 characters. If it matches it, then we print valid username updating. And then what we do here underneath, this is called add username. So this is going to be for the add the username to the array function subroutine at the bottom. So add username, and then we've typed in user here. So it will hold that username and we'll pass it into this subroutine here. Or else, if that's not the case, then we just simply print invalid username. Right, so this add username here is going to take us down into this subroutine called add username. And I've created a scalar variable and assigned it to this here, which is an array. So we're storing that username here in this array. And then we're going to print out adding to username array. So we're going to add that username into this array here. So we do that using the push function. So valid username and the user here, which is the username. So we push the username into the array up here. And then what we do is we simply print out the valid username array. Okay, let's run it. Let's start off on here. Username, let's just do 1, 2, like that. Okay, we get invalid username. Let's run it again. Let's type in some more characters. I'm going to type in A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Okay, hit enter. Valid username updating, adding username to the array, and we've printed out the username here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.